Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into secant of 5x to the power of 2 and secant of 5x to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of ax to the power of 2 equals to tan ax to the power of 2 plus 1. So I will put this one go in here. And we have tan 5x to the power of 2 plus 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan 5x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 5 secant of 5x squared dx. Because we don't have number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. So this one we change by u and we have u squared. This one we change by u to the power of 6. This one we change by du over number 5. So this one multiplied by this one and this one. So that should be about u to the power of 8 plus u to the power of 6. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So we have the formula in here, and we apply for this one and this one. About u, that is about tan 5x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.